Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine liquid full guide. Measure the recommended dose with a calibrated dropper and mix it into water or your preferred beverage once daily, ideally before exercise. Start with a lower dose to assess tolerance and keep a simple log of timing and effects. Stay consistent for several weeks to notice benefits and store the bottle in a cool place away from sunlight. For dosing, begin conservatively and track how you feel for a few days before adjusting. Taking L-Carnitine liquid before exercise tends to support energy and nutrient use during training. If your routine requires multiple doses, space them evenly across the day and avoid taking it too close to sleep. Always read the product label for concentration per milliliter and consult a healthcare professional with any questions about interactions or medical conditions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow and funds more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the smart speaker shown here brings your space to life with clear sound and handy voice features, a fun companion to your workout playlist or kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. Mixing is simple and practical. Use a clean dropper and mix the measured liquid into water, juice, or a smoothie to mask taste if needed. Avoid hot liquids that might affect flavor or stability, and always reseal the bottle tightly after use. Keep the product in a cool, dark spot and check the label for refrigeration recommendations. If you notice unusual smell or cloudiness, stop use and consult a pharmacist or clinician for advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.